Sadie. Sadie. Say hi, Matt. Hi, Matt. No. Sadie. No. Sadie. Sadie. Stop jumping on me. See, she misses you. She's pretty retarded though. Sadie! No! Stop jumping! She wants to play and I'm not in the playing mood. Alright, where's the ball? Where's the ball? Go get it. Go get the ball. See, she knows how to get the ball now. And then she gives it. Ready? Watch it. Hey! Watch it. Watch the ball. The ball's too big for her mouth. Come on, Sadie. Come on. Get the ball. Get the ball. Sadie. Good girl. Ready? Watch it. Ew, it's all slimy. Watch the ball. Watch it. Watch it. Okay. See, now you can play catch with her when you get back. And she won't be as retarded. Sadie, get the ball! Stop eating the tree. Get it! Ah. Alright. Come here, Sadie. Come here! No. You're not, it's stuck in the tree. You're, oh my gosh. No! Stop. Hey. Hey. Alright. Say bye, Matt. Say bye. See, stop jumping on me. Sit. Hey. Katie, you're a pain. Why don't you do it? Sadie. Sit. Hey. Alright, you're not doing it. Guess no treat for you, huh? No treat for you? Huh? Sadie. She's gonna knock me down one of these days. Say bye. Alright, she wants me to play, so I'm gonna play with her, but here's your dog.